Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in Dead by Daylight game. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes very carefully. First fix, step to fix sound or audio problem in Dead by Daylight game. So open Windows settings. On the left click on system, click on sound, scroll down. Under advanced option click on more sound settings. Then select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on properties. Go to the spatial sound tab and from the drop down first select the off option, then hit on apply, OK, and then go ahead and launch the game and check if your audio or sound problem is fixed or not. If not, and if spatial sound is already set to off, then from the drop down select Windows Sonic for headphones, then hit on apply, OK, and then go ahead and launch the game and check. Fix 2, makes your sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the Dead by Daylight game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using speakers to see if any sounds play or not. Fix 3, steps to fix sound or audio problem in Dead by Daylight game if you are using a Bluetooth headphones. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and select properties. Now go to the services tab and check hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Click on apply and then check if it solves your issue or not. Fix 4 is to set default sound device. So click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you're using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 5 is to disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So disconnect any peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, etc. and then check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve sound or audio issues in Dead by Daylight game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.